When a river begins to get dry, it begins to remember its source. Kabiyesi, I am Yagba, the son of Olokun, the son of Odua.
Today, the hyena, remember the shrub that once sheltered it.
I have said it before, and I'm still going to say it again. No one is burying my child close to the river.
Whatever the river takes belongs to the river. Please, leave them to rest beside the river as it has always been.
Gather the wounded, and for those who are weak, help them up. Give food to those who are hungry. Let them find strength. Our journey to Okekaba begins by sunset.
After that Obaro came many rulers who ruled in the interest of Okun land.
Choose your words with courtesy, for we only obey the last command of Kabiyesi.
They came with strange weapons, like those wielded at Ife.
This is Kaba, and from this point on, our roots will expand to many new territories beyond our imaginations.
But sweat and blood has given us the opportunity to have a place to call home.